Hey, this is the Bert boat doctor. Hey, anyway, that Bert's something new. This here is at least a 32. Could be a, I think it's 32. I think it'd be a 34 wide body. Anyway, coming out here to reset, he got some new electronics. He's got a big ass generator in here. This boat is built. Allied, 2018 it looks like. 1 kW, he added that. Got twin 250's, that's about what it's going to take. Trim tabs. He's got that new 3-in-1 transducer there. He's got like live scope or whatever you want to call it, but that's what that is. Put the drain plug in. Lifting eyes, must run this out of Port Orford, I would say. Oh, doesn't draft a hell of a lot. Look at the water line. I hope that north wind just keeps blowing, because if not, it's going to be a bugger getting them back to the dock. Real nice boat. My job today is just to check all the electronics, depth finders mainly. See how everything goes. All right, this is Boat Doctor out.